Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for parabola. The equation of a parabola is where we have the situation negative 2y squared minus the 4y equals to, we have the x plus into 5. State a reason whether the axis of symmetry of the parabola is vertical or horizontal. So before we state the reason, we have to completing the square so that it becomes a standard form equation. So focus on the left hand side, kindly factor out the negative 2. So we have the y squared plus with the 2y. Next, completing the square, we have the negative 2 bracket, we have the y squared plus with the 2y, and then plus we have bracket 1 squared minus 1 squared. So continue, we have the negative 2 bracket, we have y plus with the 1 bracket square minus the 1. So continue, we have negative 2 bracket y plus with the 1 bracket square plus with the 2 equals to x plus with the 5. So negative 2 bracket y plus with the y bracket square equals to, we have x plus with the 3. Next, y plus with the 1 bracket square equals to, we have the negative 1 over 2 bracket x plus with the 3. So here we have the standard equation of the parabola. So state the reason whether the axis of symmetry of the parabola is vertical or horizontal. So the axis of symmetry is horizontal because we have the y squared. So continue. Now we already have the standard form and also the reason. So number 1, find out the vertex. So the vertex will be negative 3 because of the value x. And then we have the negative 1 because of the value y. Continue. Compare 4p equals to negative 1 over 2. So p will be equals to negative 1 over 8. So open left because of the negative. So refers to the question, find the vertex, focus and directrix of the parabola. Hence, sketch the graph of the parabola and label its vertex, focus, directrix and axis of symmetry on the graph. So let's begin with the vertex. We have the negative 3, negative 1. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So here we have the negative 1. So here will be the vertex. So based on the situation, so here we will have the axis of symmetry, where we have y is equals to negative 1. So based on the situation, we have the V vertex, we have the symmetry axis, y equals to negative 1. So now we are going to find the focus. So the focus will be, focus on the negative 3. Moving towards the left, so meaning that we have to minus the 1 over 8. Then we have the negative 1. So the focus will be negative 25 over 8, negative 1. Continue. Next is to find the directrix. So again, for the directrix, so the x will be equals to negative 3 and then plus with the 1 over 8. So x will be equals to negative 23 over the 8. So focus on the p, we have negative 1 over 8, so open towards the left. So the graph will be something like this. So where we have the focus, negative 25 over the 8, negative 1. And then the directrix will be somewhere around here. So x is equals to negative 23 over the 8. So we have the focus, directrix and also the vertex. Sketch the graph. So we have the graph. And then we have already labeled the vertex, focus, directrix and the axis of symmetry. Finally, the equation of the graph. Negative 2y squared minus 4y minus x minus the 5 equals to 0.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.